What do we do? Summer's so boring. Well, I don't know. Wait, I just got an idea. What? How about we do a science project? Okay. So, how about this one? How many drops of water can fit on a penny? I don't know. Isn't it just gonna roll off? That seems so silly. Well, it might, but just in case. Let's try it out. So, first we need water and paper plates. And what about eyedrop thingies? We have some of those, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, and of course we need pennies. Yeah. Let's get started. Who'd have known that we were both wrong? Who'd have known that a penny could hold?